Good day dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a quick and easy Thai cucumber salad. It has got a lovely combination of flavors, sweet, spicy, tangy, and the freshly roasted and crushed peanuts add a beautiful crunch to it. It's so healthy and light on the stomach too, easily digestible. So shall we proceed to make this salad? Thai cucumber salad. A very healthy salad, a bit sweeter, tangier and very tasty. For this we'll require English cucumbers, 1 or 2 as required. They work the best for this salad. Onion 1 small, cut into slices. Coriander leaves handful. Salt to taste. Some chili flakes, half teaspoon, or you can even use bird's eye chilies. Roasted sesame seeds 1 teaspoon, roasted and crushed peanuts 2 tablespoons, honey 1 tablespoon, rice wine vinegar or apple cider vinegar 1 tablespoon, fish sauce 1 teaspoon, toasted sesame seed oil 1 teaspoon. Ingredients list is also shared in the description box. Now in a bowl, mix the honey, vinegar, fish sauce, toasted sesame seed oil and salt to make the dressing. The simple dressing, but the flavors are very unique. Toasted sesame seed oils adds a real good flavor to it, the oriental flavor. Add little salt. Give it a nice mix with a small whisk. Now the dressing is done. We'll set it aside. Now slice the cucumbers. You can use them with the skin. English cucumber skin is very thin and you can have the cucumbers along with the skin. Add the onions and coriander leaves. You can also add parsley instead, but coriander leaves add a very good flavor. Pour the dressing over them. Give a gentle stir so that everything is mixed very nicely. Now add the crushed peanuts and chili flakes and the roasted sesame seeds. Mix them together. The salad is ready. Enjoy it chilled or at room temperature. To see more such healthy recipes, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and here are some videos from the archives. You can check them out if you wish.